Hello guys, welcome back to Proper Food. Today I'm going all vegetarian on you and I'm cooking from my new book, Cook Slow, Light and Healthy, this delicious crispy baked aubergine katsu curry. Honestly, this is so good. I know you're going to love this recipe, so keep watching. It's time to make our katsu curry sauce. Now I'm sure you've tried this at one time or another, famous restaurant on the high street out there, but these are the ingredients you will need to make it from scratch at home. So here we have some garlic, we've got some fresh ginger, we've got some medium curry powder, we've got some garam masala, some plain flour, we've also got a carrot and an onion which has been finely diced up, then we have some honey, some soy sauce and some vegetable stock. So it's time to get this in a pan and start cooking. So I'm going to add a splash of oil into the pan, then in go the onion and the carrot, give that a little bit of a stir and then cook this over a medium heat for around 5 minutes, just until it's softened. These are softened down now, so it's time to add our garlic and our ginger into the pan, and we want to give this probably another 2 minutes just to mellow those flavours out. And now it's time for the spices. So here, we've got a good heaped tablespoon of medium curry powder, we've got some garam masala, and we've also got some flour. Now the flour is going to help thicken up this curry sauce. So all we're going to do is scatter these into the pan, and then just let this cook for a couple more minutes, just to give the spices time to do their thing. And now I'm going to pour in the stock. So just get that in there, and we want to let that simmer for around 15 minutes, just until it reduces down and is lovely and thick. And there is your katsu curry sauce. It's beautifully and thick. Just to finish off, 2 more things. Want a really nice squeeze of honey, just to add that little bit of sweetness. And then for a little bit of saltiness, we've got some soy sauce. Give that a little bit of a stir, and it's time to have a little taste. That was so good. That is so good. I'm going to add just a tiny bit more honey, but this is near on perfect, even if you serve this up with a few chips. That is going to be absolutely banging. But now it's time to prep up that aubergine. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love that noise. So I'm just cutting this aubergine into nice slices, probably about 1 centimetre thick. So just keep going. This is proper ASMR going on here. I told you that noise was incredible, didn't I? So now it's time to give the aubergine slices a crispy crumb. So we're going to dip it into some seasoned flour, just dab off the excess, into egg, and then straight into our panko breadcrumbs. Give it a really good toss around in there, and that is going to give it its beautiful crisp crumb. We're going to pop these onto a baking tray, then into a preheated oven set at 200, gas mark 6 for 30 minutes or until they're beautiful, golden and crispy. And we are done, and would you just take a look at these beauties? Ah, that's hot. I won't do that again. These are beautiful, crisp, golden. They're going to soak up that katsu curry sauce so well. I'm about to plate up, serve it up with some rice and some spring onions. I really do hope you enjoyed that recipe, guys. The book is available on Amazon. There's a link down in the description, and while you're there, why don't you leave me a comment, tell me what sort of recipes you'd like to see in the future. If you would, be kind enough to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That would make my day. Now, it's all about the taste test, so let's have a little try. That is like the best, most banging chip chop curry sauce you are ever likely to taste. You don't feel like you're missing out. Guys, you're gonna love this recipe. I'll see you next week for some more proper food. I should never have that much food in my mouth when I'm trying to speak. See you again, guys.